Hey guys, how you doing? It's Harry here again. So I bought this Slingshot off eBay recently and I'm just going to open it up and see what we got. It looked fairly good online, so I'm a bit skeptical to see what it's going to look like in person. It costs just over a £5, so let's have a look, see what we got. So it's wrapped up. There we have it. It's quite a funky looking thing. Interested to see. In the pictures online it looked like it had like a laser sight and maybe a spirit level kind of thing on it. Let's have a look. So it's got this weird kind of band to it. What it is, I didn't think it was going to be rubber. I thought it was going to be like that stretchy fabric you get. But no, we got rubber there. It's not the biggest thing in the world. I was hoping it was going to be a bit bigger as well, but no worries with that. And it looks like we got these. Yeah, I was right. There is a little spirit level on there. But yeah, have we got a laser here? Is this a laser? Oh, it is. That's quite cool then. Yeah, so for £5 you get all these little extra bits. But sadly, we did not get... Did we get any instructions? Did I just have some? No, I did not. No, so we got no instructions. So great. Yeah, let's see if we can put it together and see what it's going to look like. So I imagine these like clamps here. Oh, so we've got a clamp kind of thing going on here. I assume that's for rubber. Don't know how we're going to stick these on. Oh wait, or do they just, oh, they just slot straight in. That's quite handy. If they do, they're going to slot straight in. Come on. Right, I'm going to put this together because it's probably going to take me a while and I don't think anyone's going to watch that, so I'm going to put it together quick and we'll be back in a sec to see the finished project. Alright guys, we're back. I just had to look at the pictures online to get the right reference and see where everything goes, and here we have it all finished off. I've just been playing around with it to see what you can do with it. I've no idea why this little spirit level's here, because the only way I can think of using it is if you're trying to aim like that, which seems a bit silly. You've got these fibre optics here as well, but I think it's all just for show. The only thing that I think could be useful is the laser. Seems to work all right. Also, this almost rubber band kind of thing isn't exactly... I mean, you can pull it back pretty far, but a bit skeptical too, because it feels like it's going to break. It's not exactly the thickest thing in the world, but still. The other thing I'm not too happy about is obviously when you grip it, my pinky's underneath and my other finger's just barely gripping on. So, not too happy about that. Putting it together wasn't too bad. Sliding these into the little slots, if you can see them there. Yeah, it was a lot of brute force to get them in there. I think it was just because it's probably just been like 3D printed or cast in a certain mold and they just haven't cleaned it out very well. But yeah, putting the rubbers on was pretty easy. I think though, if you're going to put stones in that in there, and I don't think this is going to last that long, to be honest. They might be cheap to replace, to be honest. They might be cheaper than your standard elastic strings you get for your slingshots. But yeah, £5. It seems to look all right. I'll try it out in a minute. I'll set up some targets and we'll see if it does the job. It'll be interesting to see what this laser's like, if you'll be able to see it outside, because I know some red dot lasers you can't see that well outside, that's why they use green. But yeah, so I'll set some targets up outside and we'll see how we get on. Back in a minute. Alright guys, we're back. I've got a little tin can set up there between the two palm trees on the floor. I'm going to try first aiming with the laser, so hopefully that'll work. See, it's on there. Try it out and see how we get on with the laser aiming. If the laser's not very good, I'll try and do it by eye, see how good it is. We'll see how well it dents the can as well, see how powerful it is. Interesting to see what this like rubber band kind of thing's like. I've done one of these before. I've only done like the tube elastic ones. It'll be interesting to see. Well, the wind's blowing the can over. Right, let's try it out then. Turn our laser on. Can you see the laser anywhere? Just stepping forward to find the laser because I couldn't see it before. I can see it now though. Just about. That was a miss. Try another one with the laser. Thinking the laser could be slightly off because this plastic might be slightly bent. Keep using the laser now. The laser did work then. It's not too bad. Let's have a look. See what it looks like. That's where we hit the can there. You can see it just, you can see that, just about pierced the can, slightly smaller. I'll set you up closer and you can see the level, the laser shooting it and everything, so back in a sec. So there we have it guys. For what it is, for £5, I think if you're buying it for like a kid or something, I think I'd recommend it. But if you want something like professional to shoot in your back garden, something a bit more fancier than this, I would suggest looking elsewhere. I think there are better ones on the market you can get. I don't like the grip because obviously my pinky's underneath, which I said before I don't like. The laser isn't super strong. I kept losing it and having to walk a bit closer to find it. And that, I don't see the point in this spirit level here at all. Same with the fibre optics, to be honest. I don't see, they're just there to look good, I think. But yeah, for £5 it's okay, but I wouldn't use it. I think it's ideal if you want your kid to shoot something in the back garden. You don't want them having an air rifle or bow and arrow. I'd say this is ideal, but anything else I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, there we have it, our £5 Slingshot. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. Let me know if you've got one, and if you disagree with me and think it's great, let me know. If I'm missing anything with it, let me know as well. But for the meantime, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to check out the channel, we got some other shootables on the channel. We got crossbows, bow and arrows, cheaper and even cheaper slingshot than this, which actually worked quite well, to be honest. But yeah, for now, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.